It just looks like the dirt just erased away. Let me get out of here. Show what's up there. What's up, guys? I'm Mari, and today I need to clean out this dirty shower. When I say it is so dirty, like it is literally embarrassing. Do you see how dirty that is? So I watched this girl on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Do It on a Dime. She showed what you could use to make your shower clean using one product that only costs about $3. Super easy, super cheap. I've tried everything out the book. Nothing really worked for me. Just anything you can think of. It worked okay, like it got stuff clean a little bit, but it wasn't squeaky clean, if you know what I mean, you know. We're gonna try this. She said that you need to get the Clorox clinging gel toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. So who would have known you could use toilet bowl cleaner? So we're gonna see how this works, honey, cause girl, I need to save some money and I need something that really works. Let's put it to the test. So I'm gonna start off by just rinsing the shower, rinsing all the tiles. Oh, gosh. So now I am jumping in the shower and I'm going to take this toilet bowl cleaner and just put it all around the shower. Let's just put it through the cracks and crevices. Just gonna start right here. This is a job, but you're just gonna try to get every crevice. And repeat. Oops, sorry. Or maybe I should just let it dry. Yeah, that's a good little method. So I'm going to let, first of all, I forgot to tell you, you will also need a scrubbing brush. Okay, so I'm going to take this scrubbing brush and just start kind of spreading some of the products that drip around here. Oh my gosh, this is so disgusting, y'all. I'm embarrassed. No, don't go down the drain. Okay, I can see this working. No, we need you. We need the product. Okay. We're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. It just looks like the dirt just erased away. Let me get out of here. I'm not sure what's up there. Warning. When you clean your shower out, please wear a mask. Please. Okay, you see how it is erasing. It's working. Definitely need to make sure you wear a mask when you do this because the bleach smell is overbearing. I got a big portion of dirt out of my shower. I still have some ways to go. I had to go ahead and wash it out. Like as I was cleaning it, I had to go ahead and start rinsing because the smell was just getting overbearing. I had to end up, I didn't have any mask, so I had to put a scarf over my nose and mouth like it was that strong, which I know it's not really good to breathe in those chemicals. So anyway, I can say it definitely worked, especially the areas that weren't, like on the areas that weren't super, super bad. It basically kind of self-cleaned the tile. And then as you can see in the bottom, I still have a lot of dirt, but baby, it looks way better than what it did before. I'm gonna go to the store and get my magic eraser. That'll get the rest of this dirt out. So I mean, I know I'm not showing you guys a complete result. For me trying this for the first time, I'm definitely impressed in how it worked. It was kind of easier for me to scrub the dirt off. So it basically just makes you work less. You don't have to work as hard to scrub. I mean, I still had to scrub now, but it did get a lot of dirt up. I'm definitely satisfied. My shower is was extremely dirty. It's just a little dirty now. So once I get that eraser, all this, it'll be gone. So overall, I am satisfied. So definitely just watch out for those warnings if you try this. You gotta be safe, y'all. So I will talk to you guys later. I am tired and sweating. I am back. I cleaned the glass doors and everything on the shower. It's literally, see, I can't even think straight. That's how tired I am. I just put my baby to sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish cleaning up this tub. I told y'all I was not gonna leave this tub looking like that. I couldn't do it. I'm going to go ahead and use this magic eraser. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1. Let's get to it. This is how it looks now. It looks a lot better. I still need to get a lot of different spots. It does look a lot better. But I need to use the magic eraser about 1 or 2 more times, and I think it should be spotless. We kind of neglected it for a decent amount of time, which I know is not good. It's not safe. I wanted to give y'all a perfect result. This is the best I could do for right now. I'm exhausted. I've been doing stuff nonstop all day today, and this is just the most realistic I can get for you guys right now. But just think of just how bad my shower looked. Like it was in a super duper bad condition. So I would say, you know, for me just doing this today, I definitely can say the toilet bowl cleaner helped a lot with just getting the deep stains out. That would be like super hard to get myself with other general cleaning products. So definitely if you have a shower or a tub that needs to be severely clean, I would definitely recommend the toilet bowl cleaner. I just wouldn't use it as an everyday cleaner due to it being so strong, and that bleach. I mean, you saw how I was coughing. Don't do it all the time. I don't really think it's safe to do it all the time. So you know, as far as the toilet bowl cleaner. But anyway, I'm definitely happy, and I'll try to clean the rest of it tomorrow with my magic eraser. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I don't want to portray as, you know, giving you guys, you know, my fake, you know, any type of fake results. I'm just keeping it 100 with you. Ready to go to sleep, and I'm out. Deuces. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and leave a comment below. I love you for watching. Bye, budget ballers.